Circles, part 13.
Hi, hello everyone. For this session, we will discuss few problems. So, see the first problem. Find the equation of the pair of direct common tangents to the circles. So, see here, given circles x square plus y square plus 22x minus 4y minus 100 is equal to 0. This is equation 1. And second circle x square plus y square minus 22x plus 4y plus 100 is equal to 0. This is equation 2. Now find the center of the circles. So C1 is the center of the first circle, that is minus 11 comma 2. So now find radius of the circle, that is R1 is equal to square root of 121 plus 4 minus C, you will get plus 100. So clearly R1 is equals to 15. And find center of the second circle, that is C2 is equals to 11 comma minus 2, and radius of the circle is square root of 121 plus 4 minus 100. So clearly R2 is equals to 5. And find C1 C2 distance, that is 11 minus of minus 11, that is 22 whole square plus 16. So this is 484 plus 16, you will get root 500. And what is R1 plus R2? That is 20. So clearly C1 C2 is greater than what? R1 plus R2. So in this case, these circles does not intersect and one circle will be away from the other. So see here, so clearly given circles are like this. This is C1 and this is C2. Okay. Here you need to find equation of the direct common tangents. So you need to find this tangents. So these are what? Direct common tangents. Okay. So these tangents intersect at point Q. So that point is called external center of similitude and join C1 C2 Q. Okay. So then clearly Q divides C1 C2 in the ratio R1 is to R2 externally. So therefore Q divides C1 C2 in the ratio R1 is to R2 externally. Here C1 is minus 11 comma 2. This is x1 y1. And C2 is what? 11 comma minus 2. 11 comma minus 2. That is x2 y2. And R1 is what? 15 and R2 is 5. So R1 is to R2 is equals to 15 is to 5. This is M and this is N. So clearly here you have to use external division formula. That is Q is equal to mx2 minus nx1 by m minus n, comma my2 minus ny1 by m minus n. So see here, this is 5 3 ja 5 1 ja. Okay. So ratio is 3 is to 1. Now apply external division formula, that is mx2. So 3 into 11, that is 33, minus nx1, 1 into minus 11, you will get plus 11, by m minus n, that is 2, and my2, that is 3 into minus 2, minus 6, minus ny1, that is 2. So divide by 2. So this is 44 by 2, you will get 22. Here minus 8 by 2, you will get minus 4. So this is the external center of similitude. Now you need to find the equation of the direct common tangent. So clearly that line passing through the point Q, and you need to find the slope. Okay. The equation of direct common tangent. Passing through 22 comma minus 4, and m be the slope, and having slope m is y minus y1 is equal to m of x minus x1. So this is x1 and this is y1. So clear that is y plus 4 is equal to m into x minus 22. So this is mx minus y minus of 22m plus 4 is equal to 0. This is equation 3. So clearly this is the tangent line. Clearly that line touches the circle. Therefore what is the condition? R is equal to D. D is what? Perpendicular distance from center to the line. So consider here either first circle or second circle. Now see here, equation 3 touches circle 2. So therefore R2 means radius of second circle is equal to D. So D is what? Perpendicular distance from center to the tangent. So D is R2 is what? Radius of the second circle. So that is 5 is equal to D is perpendicular distance from center of the circle, that is 11 comma minus 2 to equation 3. So that is 5 is equal to modulus of m into x1, that is 11m, minus y, that is plus 2, minus 22m minus 4, divided by square root of m square plus 1. Squaring on both sides, cross multiplication, what you get? 25 into m square plus 1 is equals to 11m minus 22m minus 11m minus 2, that is 11m plus 2 whole square. Now this is 25m square plus 25 is equals to 121m square plus 4 plus 44m. See here 121 minus 25, that is 96m square plus 44m. 4 minus 25, that is minus 21 is equals to 0. So find the factors, that is 96m square plus 72m minus 28m minus 21 is equals to 0. Okay. Now here 24m is common. What you get? 4m plus 3 minus 7 is common. 4m plus 3 is equals to 0. So clearly we will get 4m plus 3 into 24m minus 7 is equals to 0. So one is 4m plus 3 is equals to 0. 24m minus 7 is equals to 0. So therefore m is equal to minus 3 by 4 comma 7 by 24. Now substitute these m values in equation 1. So we will get the required tangent equations. So now case 1. If m is equal to minus 3 by 4, so therefore equation 1 implies y plus 4 is equal to minus 3 by 4 into x minus 22. So this is 4y plus 16 is equal to minus 3x plus 66. So this is 3x plus 4y minus 50 is equals to 0. This is the one of the direct common tangent. And case 2. If m is equal to 7 by 24. Now equation 1 implies y plus 4 is equals to 7 by 24 into x minus 22. So this is 24y plus 96 is equal to 7x minus 154. So therefore this is 7x minus 24y. So here minus 154 minus 96. So we'll get minus 250 is equals to 0. So this is the another direct common tangents. So clearly these two are the required direct common tangents equations. So see the next one. Find the equation of transverse common tangents of the circles. So first find the center of the circles. So see here, C1 is the center of the first circle, that is 2, 5, and find radius of the circle, that is square root of 4 plus 25 minus 28. So clearly R1 is equals to 1. Next find C2, that is the center of the second circle. So clearly that is minus 2, 3, and R2 means radius of the second circle. So that is 4 plus 9 minus 4. So clearly R2 is equals to 3. Now find C1, C2 distance. So C1, C2 is what? Square root of 2 plus 2 whole square, that is 16, plus 5 minus 3 whole square, that is 4. Clearly root 20. Therefore C1, C2 is greater than R1 plus R2. See here C1, C2 is root 20 and R1 plus R2 is 4. So clearly in this case the circles does not intersect and one circle will be away from the other. So see here. So clearly these are the given circles, and here you need to find transverse common tangents. So see here, draw the transverse common tangents. This is the one of the common transverse common tangents. This is another transverse common tangents. Okay. You need to find these equations. Okay. Now join C1, C2. So clearly this point of intersection is P. So that P is called internal center of similitude. So here P divides C1, C2 in the ratio R1 is to R2 internally. So now we have to apply internal division formula. So see here, what is the center of the first circle? C1 is 2, 5 and C2 is what? Minus 2, 3. This is x1, y1 and this is x2, y2. So R1 is to R2. That is what? 1 is to 3. This is mn. So therefore P is equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Now see here mx2, that is 1 into minus 2 plus nx1 3 into 2 6 by m plus n, that is 4. Next my2, that is 1 into 3 plus ny1 plus 15 by 4. So clearly P is what? 4 by 4 is 1 and 18 by 4, that is 9 by 2. So this is the internal center of similitude. Now you need to find the equation of the transverse common tangents. So therefore the equation of transverse common tangents passes through P. So what is P? That is 1 comma 9 by 2 and slope M is what? Y minus y1, that is y minus 9 by 2 is equal to M into x minus x1, that is 1. Now this is 2y minus 9 is equals to 2mx minus 2m. Now this is 2mx minus 2y plus 9 minus 2m is equals to 0. This is equation 3. Okay. So clearly this is the tangent of circle 1 and circle 2. So clearly what is the condition? If any line touches the circle, then radius is equals to d. So d is perpendicular distance from center to the tangent line. So see here, equation 3 touches circle 1. So therefore R1 is equals to D. R1 is 1. And D is what? Perpendicular distance from center of the circle. That is C1. 2 comma 5 to equation 3. So therefore 1 is equals to modulus of 2m into x1, that is 4m minus 2 into 5, 10 plus 9 minus 2m divided by square root of a square plus b square, that is 4m square plus 4. So now cross multiplication, what you get, and squaring on both sides, that is 4m square plus 4 is equals to what? 4m minus 2m, that is 2m. Next minus net minus 10 plus 9, that is minus 1 whole square. So this is 4m square plus 4 is equal to 4m square plus 1 minus 4m. So m square, 4m square, 4m square get cancelled. Now this is 4m is equals to minus 3, m is equal to minus 3 by 4. And another one, m is equals to 1 by 0. So because of here, m square term should be get cancelled. So that's why one m value is 1 by 0. So using these two slopes, you can find the equation of the transverse common tangents. If m is equal to minus 3 by 4, so equation 1 implies y minus 9 by 2 is equal to minus 3 by 4 into x minus 1. So this is 2y minus 9 is equal to minus 3 by 2 into x minus 1. So this is 4y minus 18 is equal to minus 3x plus 3. Again this is 3x plus 4y minus 21 equals 0. This is the one of the transverse common tangent. And case 2, if m is equals to 1 by 0, so from equation 1 implies y minus 9 by 2 is equals to 1 by 0 into x minus 1. So clearly we'll get x minus 1 is equals to 0. So these two are the required equation of the transverse common tangents. So see the next one. Show that the circles touch each other. Find the point of contact and equation of common tangents. So given circles x square plus y square minus 6x minus 2y plus 1 is equals to 0. This is equation 1. And second circle x square plus y square plus 2x minus 8y plus 13 is equals to 0. This is equation 2. So find the center of the circles. So C1 is what? 3 comma 1 and R1 is what? 9 plus 1 minus 1. You will get 3. and C2 is center of the second circle, that is minus 1 comma 4, and radius of the circle is 1 plus 16 minus 30. Okay, so clearly R2 is 2. So find C1 C2 distance. So that is 16 plus 9, we will get 5. So therefore C1 C2 is equal to what? R1 plus R2. So clearly in this case the circles touches externally. So here like this. So this is C1 and this is C2. So clearly both circles touches each other. So this is R1 and this is R2. Now find their point of contact. You need to find P. So clearly P is the internal center of similitude and this P divides C1, C2 in the ratio R1 is to R2 internally. So here, so therefore P divides C1, C2 in the ratio R1 is to R2 internally. Okay. So clear is here, C1 is 3 comma 1 and C2 is what? Minus 1 comma 4 and R1 is to R2. So what is that? 3 is to 2. This is M and this is N. So this is X1 Y1, this is X2 Y2. So therefore the point P is what? Mx2 plus Nx1 by M plus N, comma My2 plus Ny1 by M plus N. So therefore this point P is Mx2 minus 3 plus Nx1 plus 6 by 5 and My2, that is 12 plus Ny1 plus 2 by 5. So clearly this is 3 by 5 comma 14 by 5. So this is the point of contact. And find the equation of common tangent at their point of contact. So clearly what is the equation of common tangent? That is S1 equals to 0. So otherwise use S minus S dash equals to 0. So that is the equation of common tangent. So therefore the equation of common tangent is S minus S dash is equals to 0. So that is minus 6 minus 2x minus 8x minus 2y plus 8y plus 6y 1 minus 30 minus 12 is equals to 0. So this is 4x minus 3y plus 6 equals to 0. So this is the required common tangent equation. So see the next one. Prove that the equation of pair of tangent drawn from point P to the circle is S1 square equal to S into S11. Suppose this is the given circle and P be the any point, that is x1 comma y1, that is outside the circle, and draw the tangents from P to the circle. So clearly these are the tangent. This tangent intersect the circle at two distinct points, that is A and B, and this AB is called what? Secant line or chord of contact. So that is S1 equals to 0. So see here, given circle S is equals to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fi plus c is equals to 0, and px1 comma y1 be the external point. So clearly AB is called what? Chord of contact. The equation of chord of contact In bracket write AB is what? S1 is equals to 0. So that is x1 plus y1 plus g of x plus x1 plus f of y plus y1 plus c is equals to 0. And assume that let q be the any point on the tangent, either PA tangent or PB tangent. Okay. So here let qx2 comma y2 be the any locus of the point on tangent. Okay. So then clearly this AB means chord of contacts divides the line segment PQ. Okay. So you know that suppose this is the line segment P x1 comma y1 and q x2 comma y2. So clearly this line is L is equals to 0. So you know that line L is equals to 0 divides PQ line segment in the ratio what? Minus L11 is to L22. So what is L11? L11 means the point P substituted in given line, that is L11, and L22 means the point Q substituted in given line, that is LT2. But here chord of contact, that is AB. See here. So therefore chord of contact AB divides PQ line segment in the ratio, which ratio, that is minus S11 is to S22 actually. But here line is what? S1 is equals to 0. So clearly substitute P point, that is in place of x, x1, in place of y, y1. So you will get S11. And substitute Q point in given line, that is x2, y2. So substitute here, you will get x1, x2, y1, y2 plus g of x1 plus x2 plus f of y1 plus y2 plus c equals to 0. So that is what? S12. So therefore the ratio is what? Minus S11 is to S12. That is PB by BQ is equals to what? Minus S11 is to by S12. Now what is PB? PB is the length of the tangent, that is root S11, and BQ also length of the tangent, that is root S22, is equal to minus S11 by S12. So squaring on both sides, you get S11 by S22 is equal to S11 square by S12 square. So here one S11 get cancelled. Now we will get S12 whole square is equal to what? S11 into S22. So therefore the locus of Q x2 comma y2 is what? S1 square is equal to S into S11. So this is the equation of the pair of tangents. Next one, find the equation of the circle which touches the circle external at 5 comma 5 with radius 5. So see here, given circle x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y minus 20 equals to 0. What is the center of the circle? C1 is 1 comma 2 and radius of the circle, that is square root of 1 plus 4 plus 20. We get 5. So therefore see here, given that two circles touches externally at point 5 comma 5. This is C1, this is C2. So clearly center and clearly radius of the first circle is 5 and radius of the second circle is given, that is also 5. Okay. So see here, given R2 is what? 5. That is the radius of the second circle. So see here, let C2 is x comma y be the center of required circle. So then you need to find the equation of the second circle. So see here, your radius is 5. So clearly this point P is the equidistant from the center 1 and center 2. Therefore, P is the midpoint of C1 and C2. See here, therefore, P is the midpoint of C1, C2. So therefore, P is equals to what? X1 plus X2 by 2, comma, Y1 plus Y2 by 2. So what is P? That is given 5 comma 5. X1 plus X2, that is X plus 1 by 2, comma Y1 plus Y2, that is Y plus 2 by 2. So clearly X plus 1 is equals to 10, Y plus 2 is equals to 10. So therefore center of second circle, that is X comma Y, is equals to what? 9 comma 8. So therefore the equation of required circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. H comma k is the center of the second circle and radius of the second circle is given, that is 5. So substitute here what you get, x minus 9 whole square plus y minus 8 whole square is equals to 25. So this is x square plus y square minus 18x minus 16y, 81 plus 64 minus 25. You will get 120 is equals to 0. So this is the required equation of the circle. So see the next one. Find the pair of tangent drawn from the point to the circle. So this is the given circle. This is the external point 3 comma 2. So these are the tangent drawn from P to the circle. Now you need to find equation of the pair of tangents. So see here, given circle x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 2 equals to 0. So you know that the pair of equation of tangents is s1 square is equal to s into s11. So what is s1 square? That is x1 plus y1 minus 3 of x plus x1 plus 2 of y plus y1 minus 2 is equals to s into s11. So this is what? Write s only. S11 is x1 square plus y1 square minus 6x1 plus 4y1 minus 2. So substitute x1 y1 point, that is p 3 comma 2. This is x1 y. Substitute here what you get, x1 that is 3x plus 2y minus 3 of x plus 3 plus 2 of y plus 2 minus 2 is equals to s into, substitute x1 y1 point, that is 9 plus 4 minus 18 plus 8 minus 2. Now this is 3x minus 3x get cancelled. So 2y plus 2y, that is 4y minus 9 minus 2 minus 11 plus 4, that is minus 7 is equal to, your square is there, is equal to s into s11 value, that is 9 plus 4 13, 13 plus 8 21, 21 minus 20, that is 1. So this is 16y square plus 7 square, that is 49, minus 56y is equal to s. S is what? X square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 2. So therefore this is x square minus 15y square minus 6 plus 60y minus 2 minus 49, that is minus 51 is equal to 0. So this is the required pair of common tangents. For next session we will discuss new chapter